Today we're going to be looking at this set of moving dollies. You can use them individually or you can lock them together to move something much larger. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, these, demo them for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. It's super easy to lock them together. You just slide them into place and then you have handles on both sides. Even if you use them individually, you also have handles on both sides. If you are moving something that is small and heavy, say a tote or moving boxes or sandbags like we're going to do, or even a human, you can lock these together. You can also use them to move much larger things if you put one on one side and one on the other side of, say, a dresser, for example. And if you have something even larger, you can buy multiple sets and either lock them together or use 4 individually, say for a large bed or a pallet. We are using these to make moving these sandbags from the truck to the chicken coop much easier. These sandbags are extremely heavy, and I am very surprised at how well these dollies held up to the weight. They even took the bumps fairly well. He got hung up on the first one, but the second 2 bumps didn't cause a problem at all.